having a wonderful day. Today I'm not going to be drawing. I am going to be harvesting some potatoes. Basically bought some potatoes. One got a sprout, we planted it, and now it's been a couple of months. Stems, the leaves, everything's dried out. And this is the perfect time to harvest. Yeah, I'm so excited. Yeah, let's get on to the video.
Okay guys, let's start digging. I've got my trusty spade here, and as you see, all the parts above the stem and the leaves are all dried up, and this is exactly how you want your potato plant to be. Well, the part you can see before digging your potatoes out. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, this is officially the first potato we found, and it's quite nice. I'm quite proud of it. Ooh, that's very, very small. And that one as well. This one's slightly bigger, but let's not lose hope. Ooh, I think there's something there. Oh, this is so tiny. It's like a baby potato of the size of a pea, literally. Now let's keep digging. Hopefully we find bigger potatoes. Ooh, another small one, but it's still nice and cute, basically. Now let's start digging the other side. Oh, that's, I think, the biggest potato we found yet. That's nice. I think this is where the big ones come in. OMG. This one is officially the biggest potato we found yet. OMG. There's so many, and they're not tiny, they're very big. What on earth? I thought there wouldn't be any more big potatoes. Guys, like, look at that. It's just ginormous. What? I think this will be the biggest potato we'll find this today. Like, oh, I'm wrong. I'm very, very wrong. OMG, this that potato is like the size of my hand. What? And a slightly smaller one. That's a nice potato you got there. Ooh, there's one there. Quite small, I must say. And another deep there. It's quite, well, I can't say it's very big, but yeah. Okay guys, we don't need the stem anymore. It's just dried up and we're not going to use it for anything. Ooh, we found 2 potatoes. I think they're like medium. But yeah, let's keep digging and see if we can find more. I think we'll find a few more and that's it. Ooh, found one more. It's very small compared to the others, but can't judge a potato like I said before. And that potato is small as a pea. And yeah, guys, I think that'll be the last one. I'll show you all the potatoes at the end.
Okay guys,
Yeah,
these are all the potatoes I found, and I'm in love with this one, just to say. I'm gonna come back after I wash all these up, so yeah. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm done scrubbing these clean, and I also wash them later. So yeah, in total, the grand total, we got 20 potatoes. That's a lot. It doesn't look like much, but we literally harvested in our garden, so we should be happy for that. And literally, I'm in love with this potato. Okay, so let's get to the point. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I hope you like this video. And if you get a sprout, like a potato with a sprout, go ahead and plant it. I'm telling you, it's really good. It feels like treasure hunting for potatoes. So yeah, I really had fun with this video. So yeah, bye.